Welcome back, profit takers. So today we're going to take a look at the NASDAQ and Q, NAS 100, whatever you want to call it. So we have a two peak formation high that confirmed on Monday. And so that's kicked off the week. We had, this is also a bona fide first red day. So coming into Tuesday, guys, we had an awesome short. I think I talked about this video. I think I talked about day two trend trade for the NASDAQ, and it played out beautifully. Okay. So now, as I always say, I need to mention this again. On the indicator, it shows a one day of previous day low, right? And technically, guys, we have two because this was a reset, and I count the day that it resets. So, because it took out Friday. Actually, because Friday was not a trading day, this is showing Thursday. Okay, so it took out that last low, right? And then today, Tuesday, we have our second one. So if all things play out as I'm expecting it to, we should get a reversal, guys. We should get a reversal tomorrow. So what I did was take the high from today, which is still Tuesday, although it is Wednesday in the trading world. For right now, I'm just using the previous day low, right, as a guide, as the 50% area on where price may come and get some support, right, and then go long. And then I have this area up here on a potential target, which is also the initial balance high. This was Tuesday's high. So if that all works out great, then fantastic, right? But yeah, we should get a reversal, guys. It's the day three trend trade. Well, I shouldn't say trend trade, reversal trade. Sometimes you do get a trend trade on day three when day two does absolutely nothing, right? So Wednesday, we should actually get a reversal on this market. So I'm going to be watching this one to see if it does, do what it is that I think it's going to do. Just like how Tuesday today played out beautifully. Okay. All right, guys. So that is the NASDAQ. And for gold, I'm looking at gold for let's see, it's going to be day three as well, right? So Monday, I was actually looking at this market as a possible, let's see, let's count the ways. So come here. Where did I write this? Okay, so Monday, right here, April 1st. Okay, so this was the third previous day high break. Okay, now today we got a fourth one, right? Because it took out that high. Now, I was thinking we were going to go short, which we did go short at the open, but I was looking at this low, and this was the low that I was targeting for Monday as, where we would possibly expect price to break through, right? So we did get a short trade that did play out in New York, right? But this, again, when we're looking at after the third previous day high break, we're now like, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days out, right? So if it looks like it's just gonna continue, right? Because usually on the fourth to fifth day after the new peak, or this was actually a peak reset, right? Usually after the fourth or fifth day after the peak reset, we should expect prices for the trend to change. Now, it's also pivotal because it could not. It could just, like it did today, continue, right? So instead of this short, guys, the high was taken out again. We had the 4, right? So we're just going to start again, right? We're going to start again. Do. So we're going to go from, I'm just going to go 3 to 1, right? I'm just going to do it like that. So now, guys, now I am looking for, it's already, prices have already broke through the high. So I'm looking for this thing to be my support area, not resistance, sorry, to be my support level, right? That's what we're looking for right now. I don't know yet, guys. This is, your typical bear pattern, right? You got the high on the inside right here. So if this plays out as I'm thinking it's going to play out, then we should get a continuation, right? We should get a continuation for the day 3, right, trade. So this one is looking like a continuation, but I'll know more once, we get to, once the market develops a little bit more. But this is definitely, this high on the inside right here is definitely where it's at. So we'll just see. Don't know. Okay. Again, I just marked this area. And it's right on the open range high. So that could be a great area for us to get, for the retracement to get to, right? Before we continue to pursue on up. Okay. All right, guys. So, I'll do one more. Let's see if we have time. Let's see here. Let's see what the DJ's doing. Okay, same thing with DJ, guys. Just like Nas. Got that high on the inside right there. So I'm just going to use this area as a potential place where price will, perhaps get some support, right? So we'll just see. We'll see what happens, once the markets develop a little bit more. But definitely this one, if it does not, right? If it, 380R, let me just say 380R doesn't mean nothing. Okay. It really doesn't mean anything as of right now. Because if we look at the dashboard, it hasn't quite yet exceeded it. I mean, it almost looked like it barely, it didn't even touch it. I mean, it missed it today and it pulled back inside and closed on the inside. So, that doesn't mean anything yet. So don't like 100% think that we're going to reverse tomorrow, but because it is a day 3 trend trade, I'm going to be looking for it to do so. Now, again, it has to do one or two things, right? Get to this area and push up, or get to this area and continue to break down, because we do have a previous month's low level down here that it could probably go to, right? So we're not gonna, this one, I'm gonna be like on the fence, right? I'm gonna be on the fence on this one for right now, just because, I just need a little bit more data, right? Before I can say, okay, we're 100% reversing, or we're probably going to continue. I don't know yet, but obviously it does look like we're going to reverse, but again, because the 380R is so close, again, it could push through that level. Okay. All right. So let's wait for more data before before we move on that, right? Tomorrow we do have non-farm at 8:15 Eastern time. And then we have ISM, and that's going to be at 9 a.m. And then 12:10, we're going to have Fed. So we're going to have a lot of news going on tomorrow. So just be patient. Do your best to sit on your hands. If you can't sit on your hands for tomorrow, open up a demo account and just go crazy there. Okay. But don't go crazy in your live accounts or your combine accounts or your challenge accounts until the news is done. Okay. All right. We will see you in the next one. Ciao for now.